Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with the latest craft workshop project to share with you. This is delivered through Facebook Live and it is the Maisie journal and sliding shaker case project. So I've decorated mine in papers from the Little Things collection by Graphic 45. But the whole purpose of our classes is for you to use papers from your stash to create the project and decorate to suit your own taste. So let me tell you about the project and then I'll tell you more about how our craft workshops work. So the case is a sliding case and those top sections come off, and we've got a lovely shaker frame here on the front. And I've used the journal card from the collection just to pop in that frame. It's a double thickness frame, so you can put some beautiful beads, sequins, whatever you like to put in a shaker project inside. Covered with acetate and then decorated in 12 by 12 papers for the case. So once you've got the cover off, it's held in place with magnets on the side. Inside there is a lovely journal, nice deep box that doubles up as a nice case as well. You could just make the box and have that as a standalone project and then the journal as a separate project too. I like to combine two things in the workshop. So we've got a lovely journal. It's 1.5 inches deep, nearly 1 3/4 when it's assembled, and it opens out into two sections. I love the mushrooms in this collection and the red dots that go with. So I've used a combination of 8 by 8 to 12 by 12 papers, some patterns and solids, just to get a mix of look throughout the two sections. The first section opens up, it's tied with a ribbon. And it's a layered section, so on the front we've got a nice pocket for pictures, ephemera, whatever you like to put in pockets, and then a nice page that you can just attach your pictures to, and then that opens up, and again, nice area for you to journal on, or even create mini scrapbook pages. We've got pockets here on this side with a little fold up that holds everything in place, and then we've got a narrow section for a picture and a tag, or you could put small passport size pictures on there. And then this section holds two 6 by 4 photo mats. You can make them double-sided, single-sided. It's nice to see pictures in. So they slide in there. That folds out and there's room to put pictures on the back. You can decorate it however you like. And then on this side we've got a fold up photo holder for 3 6 by 4 photos, one on the back that folds out, and then there are some policy envelopes here, but also let's find something I can tuck in. There's a nice tuck spot there as well, so you could pop pictures into that too. And then they open up and inside there are little tags. It's great to have little tuck spots, isn't it, and fun little places to put things. So they've all got little tags in, and then that whole page flips over and there's a tuck spot on the back. That could be joined, so you could put a picture on the back and join those 3 policy envelopes as a page. And then right in the middle we've got a fold-up tag holder with a nice long tag in, and then that just holds elements underneath. Got a little file holder here and a tuck spot at the back, and then the file holder holds pictures too. So quite a nice fold out section to our journal. 4 layers. Oops, let's pop it back the right way. But all tie up really neatly. So it would look fabulous in journal style papers, Tim Holtz papers, you know, all the eclectic collections that are out there. And then on the other side, this also undoes with a ribbon. We've got a nice pocket to match the left on the front of this layer. And oops, it opens up 2 nice pages to put your pictures and to hook them on with your paper clips. A little file holder here that folds down so that you can, let's find something to put in there. Let's borrow one of these. You can put things behind, but you can also pop things inside it as well. And then in the centre, we've got a 3-layer fold-out folio for you to add your pictures to. We've got an acetate pocket in the centre here that holds 2 pictures, and then 2 layers on the back as well. Let's fold it all up and pop it back into the middle, close the layers and tie them up. So that is our Maisie journal. And if you'd like to come and make it with me and join the class, you can find the link in the description below the video. You use your own supplies, so chipboard, card, paper collection of your choice if you want to, or you can shop with us. There is a class shopping list, and with the class you get pre-recorded introduction video which takes you through really what you need to use in the project and a little bit more about the project. A chipboard cutting guide video if you want to follow along and cut your chipboard pieces with me. Full cutting instructions, a PDF cutting instruction, and each section is named, so if you're changing out papers you'll find it really easy to cut your own to fit the project. And then there's 2 live videos. Oh, there's a short slideshow as well of the finished project, so you can see what each layer looks like. And then the class is delivered live through Facebook on the specific dates, and you follow along either with me live, so you can chit chat along with the other crafters in the group and myself, or you can follow along after the live event and come back into the group and follow the class at your own convenience. So it's a great way to craft no matter where you are in the world, and I hope you can join me. I think it's a great project, and one that could look so different in other papers. So let's pop the journal back in the box and put back on the lid. Oops. Close it up. So that is the Maisie journal and sliding shaker case. I hope you can join me in the class. We always have a great time, and there's always lots of tips and techniques and extra bits and pieces that get thrown in as we craft along in the live workshops. So I hope that's inspired you to, 1, create with this beautiful collection by Graphic 45, and just to be crafty and be inspired. So thanks very much for watching. Do give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new projects and products as they come out.